try, fail, retry, and then succeed. Unless it crashes again. I'm Daniel. Since I was a little kid, I always wanted to fly airplanes and become a pilot. As a stepping stone for getting closer to aviation, I decided to build the Polaris project, which is an aircraft, also known as an airplane. I decided to build a bushcraft with a taildragger setup. To maintain stability on the plane, I decided to build a wing that has a wingtip dihedral. This allows the airplane to fly through the air without having the person put an input. What motivated me to build the Polaris planes was my passion for building planes and wanting to fly one. I've been playing so many flight simulators back home where I have a full setup, and I just spend hours flying from different continents. But there was a lot of problems with the Polaris project, where in Polaris V1, the main issue was not having enough thrust and crashing it like a million times and having to repair it day in, day after. And another issue also comes externally, having such a limited time to work on the plane and having to work on it for endless hours. Majority of my weekends were just spent in my room, soldering, fixing my plane. It was quite a journey. H-Farm helped me build this plane by teaching me all the necessary skills. I take physics, and Mr. Vaitsopoulos has been a great teacher and has taught me the fundamentals of physics and having to calculate all the necessary stuff for the plane to fly, the glide ratio, the certain minimum thrust for it to fly. Alongside Mr. Ammer teaching me how to use Arduinos from last year, which has also helped me with the light system. I've failed so many times with this plane, and I just wanted to throw it in the bin and stomp on it because it made me so angry. What I have learned throughout the project is that without failure is without success.